Making it easy on me.
I guess you didn't hear me. I said you want the crate, but...
Well, I mentioned that you stole my milk crate. Okay, now the problem is I got to figure out where this hole is without losing the bolt. I have great visibility.
Did you find it?
My X-ray vision is working really good right now.
You got it? Right on, man.
I ain't in there yet, but it's in the hole. But trying to get the start. There it goes.
Hell, as many times you do
my X-ray vision's working really well.
Perfect, yeah. You're on it, man. It's all them years of experience with these toys, man. It's the Tatro Mojo.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Can I charge extra for that?
You can.
Okay. It'll be an expensive job then.
I don't know.
Oh, no, I can't charge.
I don't know if I'll like it, but...
I'll guarantee it's going to start easier.
God, Tatro, I just can't believe that. Man, I thought
I can't believe I didn't check that better. It's my fault for not checking that better.
Yeah, but even me, I thought I
had the pusher, I was close, but I should have known better. I should have known better. It's not the first time I've had a distributor in 180 out. Rookie move.
I just can't believe I made so many issues there. I thought more or less I was pretty close, and I wasn't even close.
I thought you had this part right.
Yeah.
No, wrong.
Losing it, man.
Losing my fingertip trying to hold that screwdriver.
I bet.
It's kind of sharp edged.
It's working though.
It's working my fingertip in pretty good, yeah. At least the pipe's not hot.
I was saying, man.
It's only warm.
Well, that's better than not. That motherfucker will give you a good sting.
You guys prom night out there?
Must be a lot of young kids out.
Is this prom time of the year already?
I guess we're in May, yeah. Yeah.
They got those
summer's here.
Cinderella dresses on over there.
Yeah, well, there's one over here.
Smells like they put half a bottle of stink juice on. Put at the house. I opened the door to give you that water to just fill the house up full of that smell.
But you know, majority here are young people on.
Yeah, they come from all over.
I'll take you. Yeah.
Yeah, we got a lot of everything around here. I think those are imported. This restaurant's famous in this area.
Well, I'll tell you, it's changed here from 40 years ago, man.
Yeah, we kicked all the dopers out.
Because this was my little running...
Well, we kicked out all the low-class dopers out.
Yeah. Well, because this was our little running neighborhoods back 45 years ago.
That wrench is pretty tight back there. I could probably get it tighter, but it's...
Well, if it's tight, Tatro,
pretty tight. If I had better access to it, I could probably get more out of it, but it's in there. I can get this one a lot easier on this side.
Oh, sure.
That was like easy to get to.
Too easy.
Getting lazy doing this side.
Man, I hope I ain't off on this damn can, man. God.
No, we found the distributors out. That still doesn't explain why it won't suck, though. So that's a whole other issue. But okay, go over there and check the timing for me. Make sure it's still in the center of the hole.
Yep, still there. Well, it's not quite center, but is that okay? Yeah.
That's center.
All right.
A little bit of advance won't hurt this thing at all. It'll help it run better.
No, well, that's what we want then.
All right. Test light out because I don't have my other light. Oh, we got to take the condenser off. Take this fill out. What am I doing?
Put the light on.
That's there, that's. Here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this. It was missing. Somebody stole it. That's a good sign. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Is that clip in the way?
Move. I guess it is. Yeah, it is. Alright.
You got a little yellow battery mark here.
You got my screwdriver over there.
Is that same? No, that's a Phillips. I think your battery's going low.
Okay, we're going to set the ignition timing. So it's already on compression. And the line is in the center of the hole right there, or slightly toward the front, which is just fine for me. Or toward the back, I mean. That advances it slightly. There you go. So now I'll go ahead and get the idiot light set up.
Okay.
The idiot me. Okay, we need to get this stupid thing out of the way over here. Someone put it in the wrong spot. There's that phone again. I think I got one better to do. Okay, there's a hole 180 over there somewhere. Somewhere down there is a hole. Yeah. I wonder where it is though. It's right there.
You got it?
You get that clip up in there. It's not on there. Someone's leaving a message. They must really want me. Obviously the spring is not where it belongs. Trying to jam it up in there. Obviously it's not even on there, so it's pull off. Okay, let's get the damn wires out of my way.
Spitting out gas.
Good. Okay, where's that hole right over there again? Let's go there and tell me where the hole's at. Where am I at? Where do I go?
Go forward. I mean, go back. There you go. Keep going. Right there. You should come up just... Oh, you just missed it.
I want to be there. I want to be over here. Where's the front?
Oh, right there then. Okay, come down. Go back a little. Right there, you're on it. There you go. Did he catch it?
I didn't feel like it.
Yeah?
Nope.
Nope.
Give me the flashlight. I don't think so, but I can't tell because I can't see in there. And I can't see shit. One side's in.
Well, that side we were working on, right?
It's got tension on it. Yeah, I think it's on it.
It's got to catch those little grooves.
Yeah, see it's about equal. See it's got tension on that side. It's about equal. I think it's in there.
So it's in there?
Yeah. You go back and forth a few times, and if it doesn't pop down, that's a good sign. Okay, so now...
So we're good.
I did all that and it still won't move. What the hell? Let the damn thing move. There it goes.
Did it move? All right.
It's got a high spot in there where it doesn't want to go over. It's been crushed so much it's been in. Okay, so now I gotta go until the point opens. Point's way over there. close to that area there, just by eyeballing it. See how much room to do over
Yeah,
there?
you got plenty of room, yeah.
Well, I moved a bunch, but it's still there. Okay, that is obviously not in there. There's no way that's in there.
So it didn't catch it then? No, it's loose, huh? Yep.
Damn thing over there. Got no access. Fuck, I think that'll come out.
You want me to get over there on the other side again?
I need to know if the damn thing is up where it belongs. I have no way of knowing that. I think it is because there's nothing holding it in there. It should have tension on it if it's in there. So obviously it's not in there. If we do that, it doesn't make any difference. It's the same height, it ain't in there. Have no access this motor to get in there. Can't get my finger wrapped around it to tell. It feels like it's up in there, but I can't tell. No, it's not because I can feel
It's always those little things like that.
see, I can't hold the spring up to get the clip in.
You want me to try to get on the other side and hold it?
There's no access.
No.
Give me a little nose picker to get in there.
Woo! That looks scary right there.
I still don't know if it's in the right spot because I can't see. I have no idea where the hole is on it, so I'm just going to have to guess where it is. That damn thing out of there. See, I'm pushing on something, but I ain't pushing on the spring because it's not holding it. Okay, now I'm on the spring.
You're on the spring now?
I'm pushing on the spring anyway. So. There's a hole out over there. So I got 15 hands here to use.
Okay, where you at? Oh.
The hole out.
Right there. You're come down just a little bit. There. Oh, there you go.
That's in it?
Got it. You're in there. You're in there.
Oh, shit. Spring in there? Might be. Can't tell. I think so. Because in there, it has spring tension on it. It's obviously not in there because
It's not in there, huh?
it's moving like this. How can it be in there?
Well, no, I meant you had that in there. Oh man.
That doesn't help me.
You want me to try with that picker there on the other side?
There's no access to know what's going on. I can't see, I can't feel.
Here, I'm gonna turn this camera off for a minute and I'll help you out over there.
I'm not hitting it.
And it's not hitting it?
Well, I'm pushing on something, but
Yeah.
obviously ain't the damn spring. Around the other direction. This way the wire gets in the way, so I don't like going that way. Look around the wire. See, I can't.
You want me to hold that down or
I'm
what?
going 3 different directions at once.
Here, I'm gonna put this camera down.
The brake pedal's in my way. That's where I want to be.
Okay. We're on.
Can we drop the generator to get a little room in there? But Didn't help much, but it's in there. Shivers back tight again,
Yep.
but, so the spring flips off again. So there you go.
This doesn't look like a computer.
It's close. It's got electricity. Does that count?
No, this bike's too old for
Let's see about right
making
there.
that track.
Alright, where's the hot water?
Okay.
Appears to be open.
There you go, huh?
So you're back to the same thing where it has 15 spots where it can be good at. That's it.
That's it, huh? There you go.
Yeah, no extra hands. A couple degrees extra, I can live with that.
You mean like when you're going all the way up?
Okay, put your finger over the hole over there for a minute.
On the oil on the timing? Okay.
Okay, we got.
We're right there
We're in the middle.
in the middle.
Okay. Slightly past that. Forward that, we're all right. Okay,
Yeah.
so timing's in there.
Yep.
Both valves are loose this time.
Both valves.
Yeah.
So that made a difference in the distributor, huh?
So now we're in the
Look at
right
that.
spot. These are loose, so we know they're closed.
Gee.
You got the mark over there, and the light just come on here.
Mm-hmm.
So we're good. Okay, we'll button this all out, and we'll be right back.
Man.
Okay, go shut off and get back.